Now we are going to install and run LangFlow. So let's start. First of all, we have to ensure that everything we need is installed. So in our case, we will need Python 3.10. Download Python 3.10. I will go here, or if you want, you can try an even newer version, but in our case I will use Windows installer. This is recommended, so this is what I will install. Download it. So I will click install now, but before clicking install now, do not forget to click here, add Python 3.10 to path, and then click install now. Everything will be installed. It is pretty fast and very easy to install Python 3.10. Okay, so I will click to the Windows Start button, click to run, then write cmd to open the command line, and here is the command line. If you write Python version 3.10, this means we are good to go. So Python is now installed. We can also check pip, which is Python's package manager, and we have pip 25.0.1. Then after installing Python, we will just type pip install LangFlow and everything will be installed. So everything is installed. We can check LangFlow help, and we can see a list of available commands. Now let's launch LangFlow and open its graphical interface. So I write LangFlow run. After a few seconds, you will see the output. LangFlow is running. Starting LangFlow and access it through this URL. So if you open a browser and write this address, here we are, and you will see LangFlow. If you click New Flow, you will see the three basic categories. Basic prompting, you will see vector store RAG and simple AI agent. So you see this interface, the left panel contains categories for different use cases and methodologies. Sections include use cases like assistants, you can see research assistant, classification, image sentiment analysis, coding, custom component generator or portfolio website code generator, content generation like blog writing, financial report parsing, and Q&A, document Q&A, graph RAG, extracts links from web pages and processes the content using graph RAG chain with maximal, vector store RAG, and finally we have methodology, prompting, RAG, and agents. What else we can do is go and download LM Studio from Google. LM Studio, it is also free, open source. Download LM Studio for Windows, start downloading and then installing LM Studio. It is free, open source, you can very easily install it and then launch it. So here it is. We have also LM Studio. You can download Llama, the tiny Llama. So write tiny. This is 3.2, 1 billion parameters. This is what we need.